Today I am going to show you how to play Blackjack online, both for free and for real money. The first step in playing Blackjack online is to find a reliable and trustworthy online casino to play at. I recommend Bovada. They have been a trusted online casino for the last 14 years and have been a trusted source for gaming entertainment for hundreds of thousands of players. Stay tuned at the end of the video. I will provide you with a link for a special offer to get $3,750 in bonus cash when you sign up. To start each hand, simply drag your chosen chip onto the bet spot with your mouse, then hit deal. After each hand, if you wish to place the same bet again on the next hand, you can simply hit rebet or drag your chip to the bet spot if you wish to place a different bet. When playing Blackjack online, you have the option to double down, double your bet, and take another card. Hit, request another card, while keeping your bet the same, stand, keep your current cards and bet, or surrender your cards and get half your bet back. If you get two matching cards, you can also choose to split your cards, placing the same bet on each hand. You can choose to play one hand at a time, or you can play up to 3 hands at the same time as you can see here. You can play for free in practice mode. Then when you are ready, you can play for real money. Bovada accepts deposits from all major credit cards as well as cryptocurrency. They make it easy and convenient to both deposit funds as well as withdraw your winnings. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information on playing Blackjack and the best winning strategies. Now, for that special offer I promised you, check out the special link on your screen, or click the link in the description. Bovada is one of the oldest and most trusted online casinos on the web, offering a full range of casino games including blackjack, poker, slots, sports betting, and more. It's free to join and start playing, and if you use the link on your screen, Bovada will match your first 3 deposits up to $3,750 when you are ready to start playing for real money. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos on blackjack, poker, and other casino games.